Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're. It's Baby Trader again. So today we'll talk about introduction to Forex. Like, what is Forex itself? What is Forex? So basically, Forex is an acronym, like it's a short word for foreign exchange. Foreign exchange. So what do we do in the forex market? We trade currencies of different nations. So forex itself, like I said, is a forex itself is an acronym. It's an acronym combines of foreign and exchange. And what you do there is just like you trade currencies of several nations. Like you sell one country currency for another and all that. So if you check your Google page now, you see it there. Forex is just a practice of exchanging one currency for another. So every time you travel from your country to another country, in as much as you are selling your native currency or the currency of where you are traveling to, you are actually trading Forex. Just that we as traders now, we do ours behind the scene. You do it on your computer, from your home, from your office, and whatever. Then the forex market itself is the largest financial market institution in the world because of the volume that goes through it daily. Then the forex market itself runs, I think, forex market runs 5 days in a week. Like it works from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then Friday evening, the market closes. So that's that about forex. So forex itself is an acronym for foreign exchange. What do you do? We trade one currency for another. Can sell euro for USD, sell JPY against Japanese, sorry, sell JPY against British pound and all that. So what do we trade? We trade currencies of different nations. Then where do we see the currencies? So we chart them. You see them on your broker. We'll talk about broker much later. So let's go back to trading view. Do much introduction again, then we'll go on. So if you go to tradingview.com, I did a little intro on it yesterday. Tradingview.com. I told us it's a free web page. Open it, you come to this, create an account, register and sign in with your email. You see this page. You see the brokers here, several brokers. You see markets, you see community, you see products and all that. So what you trade in the forex market is actually what you see here. You can search. There's a search where you can search. Once you click on it, you see the symbol. So everything you trade in the market, forex market, you trade currencies, you trade stocks, US stocks, Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Facebook stock, Amazon, all the trade all those in the forex market. You trade funds, all those US funds, then futures as well, forex itself, crypto assets, indices, and whatever. So for today, we'll work with forex pairs. So if you click on forex pairs now, you see plenty of them. You see the euro against the United States dollar. That's the European euro now. It's being traded against the United States dollar. You have the GBP pound against the United. That's the Great British pound against the United States dollar. If you go down, you see the Great British pound trading against the Japanese yen. Go down, you see the Australian dollar trading against the United States dollar. If you go down, you see the Canadian dollar, USD card, United States dollars rather, trading against the Canadian dollar. Then you still have the United States dollar trading against the Swiss franc. So these are the pairs you trade in the forex market, and you can chart them from your trading view page. So these are the pairs you trade in forex market. So how do you see what's happening? You click on here, you see a launch chart. Click on it. Then, like I told us yesterday, you have the time frames. You have the time frames here. You have the minute charts. You go down. You see the hourly charts go down. You see the days and all that. So these are the time frame we use for analysis. Then if you want to adjust your page, let's say you want to see what happened years back, you can come down to these dates down here and drag. You drag in, you zoom in a little, or you zoom out rather. Then if you want to check what's happening to move it, you can still move your zoom out and zoom in and all that. So you use these tools to bring the page closer so you see previously formed data from previous time. If you want to see them bolder, you use this other side. So you use these tools to do your technical analysis, like all your technical drawings and everything. You do them here. So that's Euro USD. Then you can see search for GBP USD. You can broker of your choice here. Click on it. That's it. These are the charts. So everything, the forex market is represented with candles. All these stuff, and all these green, red, green, red, green, red are called candles. So this one is just an introductory class. Like I just told us, Forex itself, Forex is an acronym for foreign exchange. As Forex. What do you do here? You trade currency for currency. You trade one economy for another. So that's that for Forex. Then where do you do your analysis? You do your technical analysis on the trading view page. And this is the trading view page. Once you enter, you click on the search bar, you search euro against United States dollar against British pound, and all that. Then how are the data of the economies represented? They are represented via candlesticks. Candlesticks, like you see my screen now, you have red candles, green candles, red candles, green candles, red and all that. So the next video, I'll talk a little on market structure and the candlestick itself. So let's go there, guys.